Okay, so today I'll be unboxing the Monster Go Smart Cube. Sorry for the really bad lighting. So, I guess let's open it. Oh yeah, by the way, the box is really light. Let me zoom out. So here is the cube. Here's the packaging. Really cute. Okay, let's open it. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Whoa. This is literally so cool. It spins well too. Okay, so we have the pamphlet here. I guess a tutorial on how to solve the cube. And then in Mandarin. Okay, there's something else. So it basically tells you stuff about the cube, I guess. Like changing the battery. I've never had a magnetic cube before, so this is pretty cool. I can't tell if the magnets are strong or weak. I think I'm gonna try to connect it to the app. I thought there would be a bigger change in the stability, but I guess it's mostly like the final turns. Like I can feel it click. Oh, maybe not click, but in place. Oh yeah, and I'm not sure if you can see this, but there should be like a white light there, here. I think that is when the battery is okay. That's what I'm guessing. Okay, I finally got it working with the app. Yeah, so look at that. It follows with your moves. Let's just do a J-perm. I haven't been queuing for like a long time. Let's do a multiplayer match. To do this, okay. Hard to do when the camera is in the way. Oh my gosh, wait. It's gonna take so long. Okay. Do I just start? Okay, I guess I just start with super crappy online. I don't know what you can call it skills, but yes. Okay. Made 2 blocks. Wow, that literally took so long. Always about it. Oh, that is so bad. So bad, I'm going to make any moves. Okay, so I think I've tracked it. Oh no. Yeah. Actually, do that. What is that? Huh? No! Okay, never mind, it's still sub 25. Yeah, I'm in 4th place.